Good morning, beautifuls. It is Saturday, May the 2nd. Look at how cool these clouds look. It is windy AF out there. But my clouds look fantastic today. Oh yes, it is just so windy. And the yard looks amazing. I was really hoping to take you guys out to the garden today because I am so excited. There are things sprouting and I have plans and I'm excited. So yesterday we were digging up some Saskatoons to give away to friends of ours. And I noticed there's sprouts in this garden and up at the front there and in the barrel. And I'm so excited. So I clipped down all the extra tall things and I just left them there so the birds can still have the seeds. And this is my moment of beauty. And I know I talk a lot about it. Having a garden of my own, really for the first time since we've moved out here, and getting into the habits and pleasures of being able to make it mine. Yeah, make it ours. And I love that you guys come and join me in the garden and play in the garden too. This is a special place for me. And I leave little money offerings for the fairies, and I found some of that, and little things that hide in the garden. It is just such a special place for me. So we grow things, we watch nature at its best, we attract bees, butterflies, and birds. And by doing that, it helps hubby's garden grow vegetables. So it's a teamwork makes a dream work sort of thing. That, and I love the fairy garden concept, and I'm so excited. The reason why this is so beautiful to me is it's just a little creation. So remember how I was excited when I'm like, oh, I'm going to dig some section. I'm going to make that happen. All of that is coming out this year. We're going to have a huge middle with lots of rocks and lots of plants. And I really want to go start digging. So that is my moment of beauty today. Little buds coming up on the Saskatoons, on a couple of the other berries. So very excited about that. We had a big rain yesterday, and the rain just made everything a little more green, a little more lush. Yes, my grass is getting greener, and so is my neighbor's. Yay. It's very exciting. Things are starting to grow, and it's going to happen fast. So there's the moment of beauties. I know I've already said it, but it's just, I love it, and I love being able to share with you. And so it's just spectacular. So let's talk about things to be grateful for today. Today I am grateful for a lovely sleep. I had a great sleep. Hubby had to work today, but I was up 6:30, I think. And I love the mornings. I love to be able to learn in the mornings. It's when I just do things and things flow, and then I'm done, and it's 9:30 and I'm good to go. So I'm grateful for my hot coffee. I'm grateful for opportunities that are arising. I am grateful that I saw ladybugs underneath those leaves yesterday, so we are just going to leave them alone. Leave those leaves alone. All the little birds and stuff are out there doing their part to make the cycle work. So I am grateful for that. I am grateful for the garden that grows. I am grateful for the seeds of life. I am grateful for the sunshine and the air and the water. Wait. I'm grateful for the trains that come by, because even when they mess with my head and I hear the whistle in the wind, it's just such a magical sound. Oh, it is a train. So I love that. I used to hear ghost trains back in Penticton. Just at certain times, I would hear train whistles, and very strange indeed. Yeah, there goes the train. Got a mile before it hits the... Can we hear that? Should have whistled. There's a crossroad at the mile. One more. Yep. I hope you can hear that. So the wind is blowing this way today because that train whistle was a lot clearer than when it was coming this way, and the train was going that way. I am so grateful for the trains. I love being in a train town. I love it. So here we are. It is a wonderful Saturday. Happy Saturday to you. Oh, the little birds in those leaves are just going nuts. I threw flax seeds all over my yard for them, though, and bird seeds yesterday, and yeah, that's just so fantastic. All right, you guys, and away we go. Happy Saturday. I hope your day is great. There's some exciting things in the works, and I will be able to share them with you as they happen. And sorry to keep you on edge like that, but I'm on edge too, waiting for it. I'm excited. Big things are on the horizon. I love you guys, and I am so grateful for you. And I thank you for hanging out here with me and celebrating the beauty, acknowledging gratitude, acknowledging beautiful things that we can remember our smiles with. Oh my gosh, there's a new type of bird in the yard. Ha ha! Nice. Oh man. Remember the big tree? They don't have the big tree anymore. All right, you guys, I love you. I hope your day is great, and I thank you for hanging out here with me. Celebrating the beauty, sharing the gratitude, raising our vibration, and making ourselves better, and the area around us better, and the people around us are raising their vibrations too. It's very important to keep a good look at where our vibration is sitting, where our energy is sitting, where our thoughts are sitting. So that's why we do this. And look, as we talk about gratitude, here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Enjoy it while we have it in the moment. I love you guys. I hope your day is great, and I will see you again tomorrow in the vlog. I cannot believe how many birds are in the Saskatoons. Mwah. Bye. Here, let's see. Those lumps aren't berries.